Hello everyone, welcome to Code Take Gyan. My name is Prakhar Kumar and today I'm going to solve another LeetCode problem. So the problem is majority element. So here the array nums is given having size n, we have to return the majority element. So a majority element is the element that appears more than n by 2 times. So how it can be appeared? Okay. So nums array is given 3 to 3 and here we can see that 3 elements are there. So 3 by 2 equal to 1 by 5. So any element is greater than 1.5 will be the output. Okay. So we can see that 3 has been counted two times. So 3 is greater than 1.2 is greater than 1.5. So the output is 3. Another example is nums equal to here more than 4 elements are there. 7 elements are there. Let's see how to solve this problem. Okay, so we have taken the array 2 2 1 1 1 and 2 2. Okay, so here we will declare count by 0 and element by 0. So currently these two variables consist of nothing. If the count is 0, we will initialize the first variable, we will initialize the first value in the element variable. Okay, so element consists of the first element as 2. And suppose if the count is not 0, so if the count is not zero, it means that the element is already there. Element has some data. Okay. Then what we have to do here, we will see that count value will be increased by one. Okay. So suppose two we have to search. Okay, and this array consists of 2 2 1 1 1 2 2. Okay. So element will compare with the first position. So we can see that two is there. So count value will increase by one. So so count is one now. Again we iterate, we see that count is there. Okay, means same element is there, so count will be again increased by 1. So count value is 2 now. Okay, and again we can see that there is a third element, okay, that is 1. So when we get the another data, means another number, we have to decrease the count by 1. Okay, so here we have seen that the 1 is there, so we will decrease the value of count by 1. So previously count was 2, now count value is 1, and element will still be 2 because we are looking 2 into the array. Okay, again we'll iterate the iterator by 1. So again it will point to this location. Okay, so we have to search 2. So if we see any other element, we have to decrease our count by 1. So count will again decrease. So we can see that count has become 0. Okay. So once we get the count value as 0, we will initialize the next array element to the element. So we can see that the element value is 1 and count will also be 1 because the next value that has been stored in element variable will also be counted. So count equal to 1. Okay, again we will iterate the value of iterator by 1. So 2 is there. So once we see the different data, we will decrease the value of count by 1. So count value will be decreased by 1, so the count will be storing as 0. Okay, so element will be now 2, and then again we will start looking for that in the array. So 2 is already present in array, so count value will be increased by 1. So 0 plus 1 equal to 1. Again we will see the another data. So here 2 is there, so 2 has come more than one time, so again count will be increased by 1. So here we can see that the count of 2 is 2. Okay, so that is the highest number of times, okay, in the array. So the majority element is 2, that will be returned. So let's see how to solve this problem using Java. Okay, so here class is given solution and a function is defined majority element, and here nums variable has been defined. Okay, so here we will declare in count equal to 0 and int another variable, suppose a equal to 0. Okay, and then we will start the for loop for int num in nums, int num in nums. Okay, if means we are taking each value of nums in num and we are doing the for loop. Okay, if count equal to 0, if 0, if the value of count is 0, then a will be equal to the num, means the first element. The value of count is 0, first element will be stored in the a variable, means the element variable. Okay, another scenario, if num, okay, if num equal to, if num equal to a, So here we are checking that if the value means num variable consists of all the elements in the array. So num is equal to the element a. Okay, then we will increase the value of count by 1. Count equal to count by 1. Count plus 1. Okay, else we will return the count. Means else we will decrease the value of count by 1, because we have found the next element that is different from the previous element. Count minus 1. Then we will return the element. So we will return a here. Return a here. Okay, let's run this code. So at the end we are returning the majority element. Let's run this code. Okay, so here the compilation is failed. So here, okay, I have used double equal. Sorry. Yes, so we can see that it has accepted the code. So two conditions were 3 to 3. Output is 3 because 3 has been occurred more than n by 2 number of times. So n is 3, so 3 by 2 equal to 1.5. So 3 has been appeared 2 times. So 2 is greater than 1.5. That's why the output is 3. And also the expected is 3. Here we can see that there are 7 elements is there in the array. So we have already discussed how this problem has been solved. So 2 has been appeared most number of times. That's why 2 is there. So majority element is 2. Okay, most number of times not with the main thing to say. Here we can see that 2 has been found the major number of times. That's why 2 is the output. Okay, so this is the solution for the majority element question. Please like and subscribe my channel, and please share with all of your friends so that they can also increase their coding knowledge. And this is very simple and basic data structure problems. So we will try to solve each question, and then we will increase our knowledge of coding. I will try to upload videos two to three times in a week. Thank you. Okay. So we can see that this has been accepted. So thanks for watching. Bye.